If the volume up or volume down button is not working on your iPhone, that's no problem because it only takes a couple minutes to walk through some steps to definitely get that fixed no matter what iPhone you have. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is inspect the volume up and the volume down button. See if one of them works and the other one doesn't. You might need to tilt your phone over to the side and just make sure to clean out this area, or maybe even take the case off of your iPhone. Sometimes the case on your iPhone can disrupt or basically obstruct the iPhone volume up or volume down. So after you've done that and ruled that out, let's tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. And here you can see is ringtones and alerts. Now watch me as I press the volume up button. You can see this little slider goes up and the slider goes down. So these buttons control this ringtone and alert volume. If you have change with buttons turned off, then I can press the volume up and volume down and it will change the volume on here, which is essentially the volume when you're listening to music or watching videos like this one. So make sure to turn on change with buttons. However, if that doesn't work for you, tap the back arrow, scroll to the top, and tap on Bluetooth here. Now, if Bluetooth is connected to a device, you could be changing the volume on that external device instead of your iPhone itself. So I would recommend toggling Bluetooth off for a few seconds and seeing if that fixes it. If that doesn't fix it, that's no problem. Let's tap the back arrow. And then from the beginning of your settings, tap on General midway down, and then tap on Software Update. Sometimes bugs or glitches basically wind up being issues, and by doing a software update, it will fix that issue. If that doesn't fix it, tap the back arrow at the top left, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, just tap on the Reset option at the top. You can see a lot of different options to reset, but the volume buttons up and down would be included in all settings. So we want to choose Reset All Settings, enter the passcode you use to unlock your phone, and from here you can see it will remove your Apple Pay cards, keys, and passes, but it will not delete your data or media. So just tap on Reset All Settings, and that should fix the issue. If it doesn't fix the issue, there is a workaround. So let's go back to the beginning of your settings, and I'll show you that quick workaround. Just tap on Accessibility. And then from here, you can see at the bottom, here is Touch. Just tap on that. And then turn on Assistive Touch at the top. Now, when you toggle this on at the top, you can see it creates this little dot that moves around. And I can tap on it, and it opens up a menu. And essentially, all we're going to do is have this button basically make use of the volume up and volume down. So tap on Double Tap. And on here, you can choose a double tap would turn the volume up. And then instead of volume up, you can choose long press here and choose that to turn the volume all the way down. So essentially, when I double tap on it, it'll turn the volume up, or when I press and hold, it'll turn the volume down. Now, if you go through all of these steps and maybe you don't like that assistive touch option, we can always do a force restart on your phone. This almost always fixes it if it's not a hardware issue. So to do that, all we're going to do is press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see your iPhone go completely black. Wait for a few seconds, make sure not to slide to power off, and then keep holding it until you see the iPhone logo, Apple logo appear, and then release your fingers. And now you have fixed that issue with the volume up and down by doing a force restart. At this point, a lot of channels would ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for spending a few minutes of your day here with me. I know your time is valuable, and I really hope that this video helped you and made your life a little easier today.